Have valuable data stored in a spreadsheet like Excel or other CRM program? Easily import the information into Pipedrive without missing a beat. You can import your data to Pipedrive from XLS, XLSX, and CSV spreadsheet files, allowing you to add leads, deals, organizations, people, products, notes, and activities all at the same time. Pause and resume. You can stop and continue a data import without any hassle. Your session will safely be paused until you're ready to complete it. Practice with a sample file. Use our sample file to familiarize yourself with Pipedrive's data structure. Once you're done, you can revert back to a clean slate in just one click. smartMILE CRM consulting services can help you fight scattered customer data, poor lead conversion, and low sales rates. Contact our experts today and start closing more deals faster.